Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show y'all how I made this DIY hidden cat litter box. It's something I definitely get asked about a lot when friends come over or when we have people cat sit when we go out of town. People always ask, where is your litter box? You can't find it, you don't smell it. So I absolutely love this little trick. We did it a few years ago and it has worked amazing. So I definitely wanted to share it with you guys. Not only was this super inexpensive to make, but it is also super easy to make. Basically, all you want to do is find the perfect little cabinet. This one I found at Walmart, and it's actually, I think, a microwave cabinet. I definitely wanted something to where it sat right below the window. That way we can use it as not only a litter box holder, but a little perch that Armani can go and sit on top of and hang out and look out the window. You just want to find the perfect piece, whatever color, whatever shape, size that you need for your home. I will link down below where I got mine. And all you're gonna do is trace out whatever shape size you want. So you do want to be sure if you have a bigger cat, you do make the hole a little bigger. This size was perfect for Armani. Also, you want to put your litter box inside first so that you're sure that the ledge of the hole fits perfectly with the edge of the litter box. That way when they get in, it just is the perfect size. You don't want the hole to be too low or too high. And all you're gonna do is, before you assemble the cart or the cabinet, you just want to cut the hole out of that one piece of wood. So you want to choose what side you want your hole on, and before you assemble the cabinet, you just cut the piece of wood. I know you can rent tools from some hardware stores, so if you don't have a saw at home, you can always do that. Once you're finished cutting it, you assemble your cabinet according to the instructions that come along with the piece of furniture that you purchased, and that's it. You're good to go. I stuck my litter box inside. I stuck a few command hooks from the Dollar Tree on the inside so I can hang up the scooper and a little broom. It's hidden away. It's easy for him to use. It's easy for me to take out and clean whenever I need to. So I've absolutely loved this piece. It's one of my favorite cat-friendly DIYs. So I definitely wanted to share it with y'all. If you do have a cat and you are interested in an outdoor enclosure, I do have a video for that. I have an indoor cat who loves to go outside, but there's lots of feral cats outside, so we don't like to let him out. So we built him this enclosure and he has loved it. He cries to go outside every single morning. He loves to just go hang out in there. And this is all for my DIY hidden cat litter box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.